Welcome to Patio Kits Direct. Today we're going to talk about our traditional patio cover. This is referred to and labeled as a lattice or our Lattice Laguna. This is very similar to a wood patio cover that you would see throughout the United States. What it is a standard H post with a 3x8 header beam, a 2x6 rafter, and a 2x2 lattice tube. Now that's standard. We do have different sizes that we will go over. A lattice tube is a 2x2 with a 2-inch spacing, so sun overhead provides 50% shade portion, okay? That is a true 2-inch by 2-inch outside dimension of that tube. If you come a little bit closer, we do have other versions of the lattice tube variation. So this is a 2x3. The 2x3 is a little bit wider than the 2x2. This throws off about a 65% shade portion, okay? It's pretty meaty looking. So the 2x2, that's our standard everyday Lattice Laguna patio cover. We also have 1.5-inch lattice tubes based on, telling your sales rep. So we just wanted to go over the features. You have end caps to choose from, 7 different colors to choose from. You can do color combination. None of that dictates price. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at 888-851-8351. And thank you for visiting PatioKitsDirect.com.